Hello, welcome to the channel. Here we go. Functional skills from City and Guilds. Sample paper 1, level 1, calculator paper this time. So let's have a go, see what we can do. First of all, pick the pen and draw and come down. Oh, gone down way too far. So here's number 1. Right, write 807,205. Round to 2 decimal places, so it's 2043.67. Which one of these will make a cube? This one. Which of these fractions is the biggest number? Don't forget it's a calculator paper, so you can convert all these to decimals. 4 divided by 10 is 0.4. That's 0.75. That's 0.4 again, and that's 0.3 recurring. So the biggest one is that, B, 0.75, 3/4. Right, which one of these lists is in decreasing order? So it's going down. So just look at the numbers at the beginning, the other thousands. 252, 252, 25 possible. 252, 250, 252 has gone back up again, so it's not that one. 252, 252 possible. 252, 252, so it's not that one. So it's one of these 2, 3. So now we're going to look over to the hundreds. 252 and 80, 252, 300. No, that's going up. So let's double check. 300, 80, 250. So it's that one. Right, customer wants to buy a sofa. The salesperson said he must pay a deposit. You can pay 10%, that's $39.90, or you can pay 20%, that's $49.90. Explain why the salesman's made a mistake. Well, 20% is twice 10%. Yeah, so 2 times $39.90 is 2 times 39.90 is £79.80. £79.80. Not £49.90. Yeah, didn't double that, did it? Just added a tenner on. Yeah, that's no good at all. Right, what's this one? A gardener needs to order. Got a little bit over there. I wonder what that is. Let's get rid of that. Don't forget you can subscribe to the channel because I'm going to do all these papers. Every functional skill paper there's ever been in the whole world. Well, since the last couple of years anyway, since they changed them. Right, there is a formula to find out what the grams of fertilizer is needed. The length times the width times 25. So there's a square with sides measuring 8. So what we're going to do, which bag should he buy? So we've got the grams in fertilizer equals 8 times 8 times 25. And 8 times 8 times 25 is 1,600 grams. Oh, it's in kilograms. All the bags in kilograms. Divide that by 1,000, 1.6 kilograms. And he's going to buy this one, yeah? So he's going to buy a 2 kilogram bag. A shelf stacker is making a display in the shop. It's made from this funny shape. Which of the shapes below is a side view? So side view is this one here. That one. The side view elevation is shape B. Each box has sides measuring 0.5. Work out the area of the side of the display. So we've got 0.5 times 0.5. That will give us the area of one box, side of one box. There's 3 of them, so we just multiply the answer by 3 and the answer is in meters squared. Meters squared. So let's do that. 0.5 times 0.5 times 3, 3/4 is 0.75. 0.75 meters squared. What's the weight of the whole display in kilograms? So each box weighs 950. So how many boxes have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 at the back, 5, 6. So we've got 6 boxes. And so we're going to do 950 times 6. 950 times 6 is 57. 5700 grams. And that's going to be in kilograms. So again, divide by 1,000 gives us 5.7 kilograms. A tourist wants to know how long it would take to walk to the museum. The route measures 6.5 centimeters on the map, and it takes a tourist 10 minutes to walk a kilometer. How long would it take him to talk to the museum? So 1 kilometer, 1 centimeter is 100 meters. So 6.5 centimeters on the map will represent times 1 centimeter is 100 meters. So 100, 1 centimeter, so 6.5 times 100 is 650 meters from the station to the museum. Now it takes 10 minutes to walk 1 kilometer, which is 1,000 meters. So to walk 650 meters, all we need to do is multiply the 10 by this fraction here. So if I do 1,650, that equals cross 0.65. So if I do 10 minutes times 0.65, that will equal 6.5 minutes. A sales rep needs some cardboard boxes. Which box has the largest volume? So all we're going to do is that times that times that equals that times that times that equals that times that times that equals. That will give us the volume. So A is 35 times 35 times 55 is 67375 centimeters cubed. And the next one is 40 times 40 times 40, which is 64,000 centimeters cubed. And this one is going to be 30 times 60 times 30, which is 54,000 centimeters cubed. So they're the volumes. So the biggest volume is A. Yeah, the biggest volume is A. So answer A. Show where you're working. Yeah, largest volume. Okay. Now, what have we got next? A carpet fitter needs awesome fixing strips to hold the carpet all around the edges of the floor. You can cut and join fixing strips. A shop has packs of fixing strips, 6 meter packs, buy one get one free. So we've got to work out the perimeter of this. Now, got 2 missing sides here, so we've got 7.5 minus 2.5 will be 5 meters, and this one here is 5.5 minus 2 is 3.5 meters. So we need to do 2.5 plus 3.5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7.5 plus 5.5. Right, what does all that come out as? 2.5 plus 3.5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7.5 plus 5.5 equals 26. So it's 26 meters all the way around. Now, we're going to buy it in fixing strips of 6 meters, right? So we do 26 divided by 6 is 4.3 recurring packs, which is no good because we're going to have to round up to 5 packs because it won't sell us a bit. 5 packs. Now there's $7.99 a pack. Buy one get one free. All right, so we buy one, we get one free. We buy one, we get one free, and we buy one, and that makes up a lot. So we're buying. So we're going to buy 3 packs, or the price of 3 packs times $7.99. So 3 times 7.99 is $23.97. $23.97. Right, a doctor's receptionist wants to display notice to show how long the patient's is. So we've got to work out average waiting time. Show you're working. So we're going to add them all up and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. Add them all up and divide by 12. So that's the divide by 12. So a lot of button pressing here. 4 plus 4 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 5 plus 7 plus 7 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4. That all equals 72. And 72 divided by 12. 6, isn't it? Yeah, it's 6. So the average waiting time is 6. Explain why using the waiting times for yesterday morning might not give a suitable thing. Well, it's only one morning. Should have done it every day of the week. So we'll say that the sample is too small. Maybe should do other days and in the afternoon. Okay, and the afternoon. Oh, washing machines. Right. Work out which offer is cheaper and by how much. And how much would the customer need to pay today? So let's have a look at HS. So I'm going to do HS over here. HS is here. So we've got a 525 and interest is 5% of the price. Pay a third today and the rest. So 525 times 5%. So 525 times 5 divided by 100 equals 2625. 2625. So add these two together. 525 plus 2625 plus 525 is 551 pounds and 25 pence. Right, so we're only going to buy the cheaper one, aren't we? Yeah, so let's have a look at this one. So we got 470, interest is 15%. Okay, so 470 times 15%. So 470 times 15 divided by 100 is £70.50. So that equals £70.50. Now 470 plus the £70.50 will give us the total price, which is £540. So which is cheaper? This one's cheaper. So which offer is cheaper? Brown's is cheaper. Well, I don't have to write that, do I? Brown's is cheaper. I can do shop A. I suppose that's shop A, the one on the left. Now, to find out the difference, we do 55125, take away 54050. So 551.25, take away 54050 pence. It's £10.75. £10.75. So it's cheaper by £10.75. So we've committed ourselves to buying from shop A. What do we do? Pay the total amount in 10 equal monthly instalments. First instalments must be paid today. So the total amount of browns is 540.50, and we want to just divide that by 10, don't we? Because we're 10 equal instalments, and that is going to be £54 and 5 pence. So £54 and 5 pence. The table shows the number of orders. Draw a line graph to show this information. So we've got to get January, February, March, April, May, June. So I'm going to go January, February, March, April, May, and June. Okay, so we don't need to start from 0 because we've got like loads of numbers that only start at 150. So let's start at say 140, 150, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. Yeah, the whole 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200 doesn't quite fit. So I'm going to do 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, and 200 up there. So January we got 150. February we got 155, which is halfway there. March we had 170. April 160. May 180. And June 200. Right, draw a line graph. So draw these up together. Whoops, missed that bit, yeah. And so don't forget, put the labels on, otherwise you'll lose points. Month and orders, and the orders a salesperson. Right, salesperson orders for 6 months, just in case they take away because you haven't points because you haven't put a label on the top. Right, what does your graph show about it? Yeah, increasing. Whoops. Increasing over 6 months. Small dip in August. Perhaps they were all on holiday. I don't know. Right. Your boss needs to go to a meeting in London on Sunday. He lives half an hour drive from Stockport Station. He doesn't want to leave too early. The meeting starts at 2 o'clock for 1400. And it's a 15-minute walk from the station. So, this is train table. Work out the best train for your boss to catch. So he's got to be there at 1400. Takeaway. So 13:45 he's got to be there. Yeah, so 13:45 he's got to arrive in London. 13:45, that's too late. So this one. So it's going to arrive at 13:28. So where's he coming from? Stockport. So he's going to catch the 11:24. So the 11:24. Yeah. And I don't know, got to show some work in. Arrive in London at 13:28 plus 15 minutes, which is 38:43. So arrive, meeting at 13:43. Yeah, got 7 minutes to spare. Right, another bit. Oh, your bus will travel back on Monday. Work out the cheapest cost. Right. So he's going on Sunday. So you can get a peak, that's expensive. So let's buy one of these to go there. And a return, you can't get an off-peak return because he is coming back on Monday, so he's got to buy that to get back. Wow. No, that's a return journey. That's a waste of money, that is. Waste of money. So he's going to buy that to get back. So it's going to be 44.55 plus 175.00, which equals 44.55 plus 175.00 equals 219.55. That's expensive, isn't it, on the train? 219.51. End of section 2. Right, okay, so let's go back to there. So there you go. So that was sample 1, the calculator paper. So I hope you enjoyed that, and subscribe to the channel. Help it grow. It's only been up 5 minutes, so hopefully it'll get there. Make a comment. Ask me to do any exam board you like, and I'll do it for you, functional skills wise. And so you put your thumbs up, say, hey, I watched that, thank you very much. And there'll be links to videos down below. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.